What's up, gang? I was editing this video and everything, and before I want to let you guys get into the video, I just wanted to jump on, and before we start this video, I just want to say subscribe. Please subscribe. Please share the videos. We are doing a big giveaway. Maybe not for bigger YouTubers and stuff, but for me and for you guys, my subscribers, we're doing a big giveaway. We're doing the ARCTIS Pro plus GameDAC giveaway. Now these are freaking nice gaming headphones and nice music headphones. You have the DAC, the amp on there, high res audio, and these things sound clean. They have RGB lighting on them, and they are comfortable. They're for PC and PS4. These ones that I'm giving away. So actually, they can be used on your Xbox, everything too. So don't just let it. It's through a USB, so or a optics cable, or you could use it with. But anyway, you can use it with anything. This one say PS4 and PC, but you could use it with anything. So you guys want to win? Smash that like button, subscribe, and please share. So ARCTIS Pro GameDAC giveaway, over $200 gaming headset, which one of the best rated headsets. You can look it up right now. So smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and share one of my videos. Enjoy the video. Love you guys. God bless. We out. What's good, gang? Miguel back here with another video, starting it off. As you can see, I got the whole city behind me right now. Currently checking out my mom's new apartment. This is crazy. Smash that like button if you guys like this. This is cool. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Look at that view she has up here.
And there goes your phone.
This is awesome. Okay, check this. Oh, this is so cool though. Look at that. Look at that. Look how far I am up here. Ooh, if I were to drop my phone.
Over like that.
This is, well, she's on the 14th floor. This is the top floor. Look at that. Look how low though. What stores are those? Oh, your face. Oh, I wish you were the face the other way, Mom.
Hey, look, somebody had an animal.
That is crazy.
Coming out of the apartment.
Oh, yup. Look it. They're not supposed to have animals here, but look.
Just as scared. Look how tiny that car looks.
Look how good you can see the footprints on my phone. Look, you can see them.
I'm getting dizzy.
This is cool, guys. Look at that. We got a good view up here.
I'm getting out of here.
Mom's ran inside. It's her own balcony and she's scared. Alright, guys. This is where I'm going to start the video off, though. You guys know around there, hit that subscribe button. Please like, comment, and share if you guys like that view. I've never been in these Aztec apartments like that. But I'm going to help her hook her TV up real quick. Then I got to get home and get the kids ready for school. So I love you, and we'll continue the video tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a smash freak. Oh, I got my new mouse pad coming in, and my headset hanger coming in. So stay tuned for that. I haven't showed you guys my build yet because I haven't finished it yet. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys tomorrow. I promise. Plus, we're doing the ARCTIS Pro giveaway. It's a $250 headset, gaming headset, with the GameDAC, not just the ARCTIS Pro. It comes with the GameDAC. So if you guys want to win that, smash that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Come on, man. Who wants a free pair of ARCTIS Pros? Let's do this thing. Love you guys. We'll continue the video tomorrow. I'm out.
I tried on to make it fun. I broke out and I ate chocolate like you would not believe. Yeah, she does that too. I can't see the deer on mine.
This cat is so hyper right now.
It's hard too. Like my arms are
Yo, what's up, gang? Back here, same video as promised. I told you guys I was gonna vlog today. That view from my mom's apartment yesterday was just gorgeous. I know you guys seen that. But anyway, right now we got box opening time. We never did box opening time with Miguel and the gang, so here we go. Stay tuned. All right, guys, let's get this box open from Amazon. Let's see what we got in here. Oh yes, there's 2 of them. Right here is my headset holder, and right here is my new mouse pad. Oh yes, let's see. USB powered plug and play. This better be the, let's see how wide it is. It's that wide. Feels pretty good. I didn't get the I took back the Razer one. So let's see how this is. Here, Roman, hold that. Let's see how good this looks. I haven't showed you guys my computer yet, but tonight I'm gonna do a video on my computer just for you guys because I wanted to complete the setup. Let's see how this is. Let's see how long this is. I know. Oh yeah, that's gonna.
Is it
perfect,
already
guys.
recording?
Oh yeah, I thought this was gonna be a cheap
Is
one,
it already
but...
recording, Dad?
Oh, it has the fishnet on the edges. Dang it. I didn't want that because then that gets snagged and then let's see if this could fall apart right there if it comes undone. Let's see.
Please don't make it fall apart.
Dang it. Hopefully that don't fall apart. I'm not too rough on my products anyway, so this should be a good. Plus it came with the free cleaner thingy. And it should have came with, it should have had another thing too. Did I drop it or something?
Is it in this
Oh,
box?
yep, I dropped it. See, this is for your caps to pull off your keycaps on your computer. But this should be good, guys. You know what? For 20 bucks, not bad. Hopefully it grips and goes down, which is gonna be good on my computer. It lights up on the edges. So my keyboard, my mouse, it should be good. But anyway, let's see this. Once it's all put up, I'll show you guys. I gotta hurry up. I gotta go get Malia from school. Alright, let's see. This is my headphone stand. And what the heck? Heck no. This can't be it. Heck no. What is this? What the heck is this? Oh, I was gonna be pissed, boy. I was like, this ain't big enough to hold it. All
That's his phone thing.
Now that's big enough. Plus, this lights up on the rounded too. And then my headphones hang on there. Oh yeah, plus I got a USB right there. And then I can put my phone up on there. It's gonna be litty lit, baby. So hopefully this mouse pad does me good, which it feels good. I just don't like the nylon on the edges, which I'm not gonna be bumping it around or not. I'm not too rough on my product, so I think it'll hold its purpose. You know, for 40 bucks, I got my headset holder, got this, so let's hope it lights up good. And ooh, it got to braid the cable, that's a plus. So this is actually not a bad mouse pad. It's big, I like it. It's gonna cover my desk good. My headphones are gonna go right here. Bam. So stay tuned. Tonight we're gonna do a video of my computer, my build, my monitors, everything, which you guys probably seen pictures, but I never showed you the whole thing. And don't freak out because it's an expensive build. I put a lot of money into this. So you guys stay tuned. And oh wait, which one's to which? Oh, this one goes to that one, this one. Okay. All right, guys, I love you guys. Stay tuned, and we gonna be back with the computer video tonight. So stay tuned. Wow. Yeah, guys, you already know who it is again. Migsby back here, and right now we're gonna have a little bit of cooking with Migsby. Ooh, look at the hamburger meat, smells so good. We got the dogs right here going crazy because they want some hamburger meat. They want some hamburger meat. Guess what? They ain't gonna get none. Stay tuned, guys. Ooh, my computer build is coming up. So stay tuned. You guys ain't gonna want to miss that. So I'm gonna finish cooking this bomb hamburger and stuff for the kids. Feed them. Go upstairs. Cook everything up. And like I said, you don't want to miss this. Love you guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, back here, same video, and as promised, I think I'm ready to show you guys my build, my computer room. You guys are probably like, oh, you guys keep showing us your computer room, blah blah blah, this and that, but it's not the same computer room. It hasn't been the same computer room. I keep upgrading. It's like I get one thing and then I want better. I get one thing and I want better, but I think it's safe to say I can't say officially done because I still got to get a preamp, or not a preamp, a headphone amp, a DAC, digital auto converter. That way, I think I'm going to get the Sound Blaster G6. It's a little expensive, but Gonna push my headphones pretty good. But anyway, you guys ready for it? Here it goes. Alright guys, alright, so here is my build. You probably can't see because the reflection, but it has an MSI Duke 2070 overclock in it. It has the i7 9700K Intel processor with the Corsair cooler. It has the RGB Corsair fans in it, 3 of them, and then 2 regular Thermaltake fans. I want to say, no, actually, never mind. Yeah, 2 Thermaltake fans and 3 RGB Corsair fans. 32 gigs of. You can't really see the. Let me turn off my screen real quick. The RAM, you can see the RAM right there. I got 32 gigs of the G.Skill Ripjaw. Let's see what else do we got in here. I got the the Aorus Z390 Pro Wi-Fi motherboard, and it's all in the Fantex case. And you can see my headphones right here. I got the Philips 9500. These are awesome headphones, which I got more in here. These are probably even worth more. These are the Sennheiser 599s. These sound good. I am trying out which ones right now I'm gonna keep. Well, I'm keeping all of them, just which ones I'm going to use for my dailies. More headphones over there. As you can see, got the ARCTIS Pro Still Series. Those are mine. I got the other ones that I'm gonna be giving away. Where's the box at, as a matter of fact? Actually, where is my brand new ones? Oh, they're under there. So that's for the giveaway. So subscribe, guys. You guys don't want to miss that. Matter of fact, let me pull it out for you guys. There we go. You guys want brand new Still Series ARCTIS Pro GameDAC? Subscribe and share this video. So we're gonna be doing a giveaway with that. As you can see, I got 2 screens here. I got one 1080p 144 hertz. And I don't know why it shut off that one when I turned this one on. Oh, that pissed me off. I don't know. Whatever. But anyway, and then I got a 1440p 144 hertz refresh rate monitor. This one. So that's the dual screen setup. I mainly game. I want to say I game on this one a lot more now. This one looks more crisp because it's more of an IPS panel, but I game more on this one because it's bigger. Refresh rate's good, and response time's not that bad. Response time's better on this one, but I like gaming on the bigger monitor. I got the Corsair mouse right here. I got the Corsair keyboard right there. I got the GMS X5 mouse pad. As you can see right there, I got to get my cables all managed. I got my Logitech Z503 surround sound right there. My speakers are back there somewhere. Speaker right there. A speaker back there. And yeah, man, I'm doing it. I got my microphone. Got all my preamp stuff down under there. See, I got these sitting on the 2 arms. Give me the loot. Give me the loot. But that's my game room, man. I hope you guys like it. And stay tuned for this montage.